Alright guys, this is our first time trying the actual Blove Smackalicious sauce mix. We've always made it from scratch. So now we are actually going to try to make this sauce and see if there's a difference in the taste. But we're not going to make it without letting it sit overnight for at least 12. We're going to let it sit 24 hours before we actually taste it. Apparently that's the difference between it being very flavorful or not. Even this is recommended by Blove, so I'm going to do it that way because this stuff costs $29. So I will make it exactly as the instructions say on the back, and I will let it sit for 24 hours in the refrigerator before I warm it up and attempt to eat it. I'm going to make the whole bag so that I don't mess anything up, and I'll just store whatever I don't use. So here we go. Hello, happy Mother's Day.
Hello.
Hi. Today we, as you know from the first part of the video, are trying the Blove sauce from the packet. So you'll actually get our first reaction. So we have some shrimp, we got cucumbers, we've got corn, we got salad, we got eggs, and we're gonna dig in. You guys ready?
Oh yeah, I've been ready.
Okay, yeah, we've been waiting for a while to set up. You need some of this? You need a napkin? You like, I'm ready for
I
the
got
food.
some over there.
So I've made the Blove sauce before. I just never used the packet. I've loved making the sauce since she first showed everybody how. You want some sauce? And you know, nowadays, guys, we gotta act like we're in public. Practice good eating habits so that you don't forget. So, of course, you're not supposed to dip in the same containers. I'm not gonna say anything.
Pretty good.
What you think, Avery? Let me let you get a bite. Oh, I want an egg. This is the spicy. And try with the cucumbers too. I'm gonna try it. Oh, did you want some of the coconut shrimp? And there's some catfish in here too. Okay, anybody gonna go first? Or you want me to go first with my
Of course you are.
with my review?
It's very, very good.
It's a little bit spicier than what you make, but I can definitely taste the similarities in it.
Yeah, I don't put a lot of spice because of Avery. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start. When I went on Amazon.com to order it the first time, which has been a while, as everybody who's followed Blove knows, the product's been out for a while. And the reason I'm going to tell you the reason it took me so long to order it. I had seen so many mixed reviews. So I didn't know if I should order it since I was satisfied with making it myself. But what made me decide to order it was the fact that it's still, after all this time, an Amazon bestseller. So regardless of the mixed reviews, something must be right about the sauce, right? If it's still a #1 bestseller, one of their top bestsellers. So lo and behold, I decided, let me eat some more. It's good. I decided to try it myself and be the judge for it myself, because regardless of the mixed reviews, it just didn't make sense for it to be still a bestseller if it's, if it's not, it's got to be good to be a bestseller. So am I glad I tried it? Yes, because I always wanted to compare something that was more similar to what she made, because on her videos, her sauce looked absolutely delicious. Like everybody's when you see her eating it with crab, you're like, oh my goodness, what is that red thick sauce? And it looks so good, you want to try it. Because I honestly, when I first saw her video, and this is a funny story, should I tell it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you how I ended up finding Belove's YouTube video. Okay, so I homeschool Avery, and I was trying to look up some information with him on crabs, right, Avery?
Mm-hmm.
And so when we were studying crabs, one of the things that I told Avery was that they walk sideways. And so he was like, they walk sideways? I said, yeah, they naturally walk sideways. That's how crabs walk. And so he was kind of curious. So, of course, I said, well, let me search the internet, and I'll see if I can show you a picture of a real crab walking sideways. And not only did I find, crabs walking sideways, I found, what did we find? Larry the lobster. And what did she call the crab?
I don't know.
I don't know what she called. I can't remember what she called the crab. But the crab has a nickname, this 15-pound crab that she ate. And do you know, we could not believe that she was eating this thing, that we were standing up there. Before we knew it, we were like midway into the video. And by the time my husband got home, I told him about it. And you remember that day? You sat there and looked at that video, and it was just, and you couldn't help but keep your attention on it, because it was like, oh my goodness, is this for real? And then I'm thinking, what is that red sauce? And I'm like, is that hot sauce? Would somebody be eating a whole? Because, she got the big old container of it, and she just dipping the whole crab leg in there. And I'm thinking to myself, would somebody dip that in some hot sauce and just eat it like that? I don't see that being appetizing. But sure enough, after, we started watching more, we realized it was her special sauce. And so, of course, you want to try it when it comes on the market. So, I mean, like everybody else, I was excited. Amazon was selling it, disappointed when they sold out in hours. And, sure enough, the reviews came rolling in. And I think the first set of reviews were absolutely wonderful. And that made me want it even more. And then, as time went by, you start seeing these mixed reviews. And I'm like, okay, what's really going on? I want to buy it, but I don't want to spend money on it if it's not good. I'm like, did they change the recipe? Because the reviews in the beginning I thought were pretty good. So I don't think they changed the recipe. I think that her reviews never warranted a bad review. That's my opinion. I think that she never should have got a bad review, from my personal opinion, because I like the salt. Yeah, it's something you can modify as far as sodium. When I was younger, I used to love the, what is it, accent? But I don't eat, I'm older now, I don't eat a lot of accent, so, but I'm glad I tried it. That's just what I'm saying. If you're a Blove's fan and you've been kind of iffy about buying the product because of all the mixed reviews, my suggestion is to just try it for yourself. Okay, what do you think about the spice? Is it too spicy for you? Okay, normally guys, they say if you have a plate full of food and you don't hear anything but silence, that's proof.
Well, that's kind of what I was brought up, so.
So good. So happy I tried it. Give it 2 thumbs up. And I do like spice. Anything you want to add, Avery? Sure, go ahead.
It is very, very good. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe and like this video.
Thank you.
It's definitely spicy.
Mm-hmm. Did you try it with the corn?
No,
I like
I
it.
didn't try it with the corn.
I like it with the corn. That was one of my big questions. Would it taste a little bit like mine? Do you think it tastes? It's her recipe, but do you think it tastes like the recipe? Her packet?
I think both the sauces have similarities in it. I think the subtle changes that she make is more towards what we like.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I tend to gravitate more than anything. Everything that she make,
Oh, thank you.
absolutely the bomb.
I didn't make him say that. The corn gets in your teeth. I didn't taste these shrimp. The coconut shrimp. Oh, we didn't even use the lemon. So you're supposed to dip it in the sauce and squeeze the lemon. I forgot.
Yeah.
See, we just eating.
Well, you just put lemon in the sauce.
Yeah, the packet that she gives us doesn't even say that. And I made this yesterday, remember? Because I wanted to, she recommends to get the best flavor out of it to leave it overnight and it tastes better. But I didn't go get the lemons until today. So I probably would have put lemons in it because on my recipe it has lemons, but I didn't buy lemons because I didn't see it on the package.
I did take a bite of my corn.
It's good. Yeah, absolutely delicious, guys. And I made extra sauce for my mom for Mother's Day. So that's why that's sitting over there.
I need more chocolate. My nose is running.
I just love seafood. I like crab, but crab, you have to put work in a crab. And I know when he gets to the age where you can crack them yourself, man, we definitely will have crab more. But I was kind of shocked.
They would have crab more.
But you know
I'm a
what?
shrimp person.
It's Mother's Day weekend, and I went to Jewel, and there was no sales on seafood.
Grab me some catfish.
There was no sale on seafood. No sale on crab. The shrimp wasn't on sale.
Yeah, it's a special time we live in.
And you know I don't buy seafood unless it's on sale. It already costs a lot. So how long we been on here? Does it say on the camera?
I don't think so.
How that go?
My sister says when she makes hers, she doesn't add the garlic or the ginger. I don't know which one. But I'm like, you're missing the whole experience. You gotta add them both.
Is there a reason why she don't add it?
That's because she didn't care for it.
Oh, I thought it was
In that,
like
you know, in
barbecue.
general, she doesn't care. No, it's actually healthy. Put all that ginger. So happy Mother's Day, everyone.
Happy Mother's Day, everyone.
Hope you all are enjoying it. It's cloudy and rainy where we are.
Our nice day, well, our decent day was yesterday.
We actually had to wear a jacket today when I went out to the store. All of you guys that live in Houston, you guys are so lucky. I see them on their videos with shorts and t-shirts, and they're probably like, why is she having a sweater? Yeah, that's right.
Still cold.
Still cold here, and it's supposed to, they gave us a freeze advisory yesterday to put, don't leave any plants out or flowers out because they die, because it was supposed to be a freeze advisory.
It was.
Yeah.
It's pretty cold.
Ooh, this is spicy. Gotta have my water.
Okay.
And we're gonna sign off in a minute. We drink some water. So thank you so much for taking time to listen to my little review. And we kind of fixed our plates before we started. I didn't get any salad. Did you want salad? So we're gonna let you guys go and finish eating. And we'll see you in the next video. You know I got a DIY coming up. It'll be out on Thursday. So we'll see you on that one. Thanks so much.
Bye.